Today we're going to be looking at the new Voopoo Argus A pod system, the latest addition to the Argus line, featuring a built-in 1100 mAh rechargeable battery. The Argus A offers an adjustable output range with a 30-watt max power output. Utilizing dual firing capabilities, the device offers the first dual-zone display with 3 unique output modes to choose from, along with an interactive animation when in use. Adopting a convenient power switch, the Argus A will be powered by 2 amp fast charging Type-C USB, paired with a 3 ml refillable Argus pod, backed with a top fill method, integrating Voopoo's advanced iCosm code, dedicated to producing great tasting flavors and vapor production. Welcome back everybody to the Element Vape channel, and for those of you that are new to this page, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all the latest vape products and reviews. Now let's get right into it and present the new Argus A pod system by Voopoo. And here we have the new Argus A pod system by Voopoo, the latest addition to the popular Argus line. Crafted from durable zinc alloy, the device offers a compact form factor build, adopting an elegant streamlined design with a box-style exterior chassis, available in 8 different colorways to choose from. Here we have the Phantom Red edition for today's video. Integrating a built-in 1100 mAh rechargeable battery, the Argus A delivers a max power output of 30 watts, powered by fast charging Type-C USB. The device offers dual firing capabilities, utilizing both auto draw activation and manual button pressing. Here we have our large firing button with a convenient power switch and our USB-C charge port. We have the Argus text logo on the back, adjustable airflow control side lever on this side, followed with a lanyard port. The Argus A is the first pod system to utilize a dual zone display, provided with vivid animations that would accompany one of the 3 unique power modes available. The device will be paired with a refillable Argus top fill pod, offering a clear pod structure with an ergonomic mouthpiece housing up to 3 ml of e-liquid. There's our side fill plug with the resistance for the built-in mesh coil. The pod will adopt Voopoo's iCosm code, compatible with the entire Argus pod family line, providing more ways to enjoy great tasting flavors and vapor production. To power on the device, we're going to flip this switch over, and the main screen will showcase the coil resistance, selected power mode, and puff record for the top screen, and the battery level and wattage level on the bottom screen. Now pressing the button 2 times will have the screen enter stealth mode. Press the button 3 times to adjust the wattage level, increasing in increments of 1, with a max power output of 30 watts, featuring round robin. Press the button 5 times to enter the main menu. Here we can toggle through the 5 different options available. We can change the output mode by choosing one of 3 unique options. Here we have Power, Eco, and Super, which will also be accompanied by a dynamic animation display. We can clear our puff record, return to the main screen, obtain a report on the current usage habits, and lock the firing button to have the Argus A operating strictly as a draw-activated pod system. The package will include the Argus A battery device with a 3 ml refillable top fill pod with a pre-installed 0.7 ohm mesh coil, a secondary top fill pod with a pre-installed 0.4 ohm mesh coil, a Voopoo lanyard, a Type-C USB charging cable, and lastly, a user manual. For more information on the new Argus A 30-watt pod system and